Today we are going to look at trig function to evaluate the limit of a function. The following limits. I forgot to write that. Following limit. So this one, it requires to apply this rule. Now, as the limit of theta approaches 0, we have given the sign of theta over theta. Then this one will give us a 1. This is a rule that we are supposed to employ here. So this one is looking a bit complicated, but there is a way we can manipulate it so that the sign of 7x to be on numerator side. So I can do it like this. As the limit of x approaches 0, we are saying 1 over the sign of 7x over x. Do you have any difference between the first equation and the second? They are just the same. So I'm just trying to bring sign x out on the numerator so that we behave like this function. So that is to say, as the limit of x approaches 0, so we are saying the other thing, this 7 is not appearing there. So if we have a 7x here, there must be a 7x also in the numerator, so that when we try to apply change of variable technique, so that we define 7x as theta, so this here to be a 7x, which is a theta. So let us do some manipulation to say 1 over sine 7x over x, and then we multiply by 7 over 7, which is the same as a 1. So this is the same as the limit as x approaches 0. We are saying 1 over 7, the sign of 7x over 7x, which is the same thing. So after that, I think I can take 7 outside of the integral sign. So that I say 1 over 7 as the limit of x approaches 0, or I'm saying this one will be 1 over 7 sine 7x over 7x. So you know this one, when you apply the change of variable techniques, so you define theta as 7x. So when x is 0, theta will also be 0. So that is to say 1 over 7 as the limit of theta approaches 0. You will be having the sign of theta over, there must be a 1 over the sign of theta over theta. So this one will give a 1. When you evaluate this one will give a 1. So you will be having 1 over 7 multiplied by a 1, which is a 1 divided by 1 is a 1. So your answer will be 1 over 7. So this is the simplest one. Thank you for watching.